So now Ajit, your question on refraction. Basically, you have given that there is -3 diopter spherical and -2 diopter cylindrical. Now -2 diopter cylindrical is at 90 degree. Please note that there would have not been any difference in the answer even if it would have been at 180 degree. So basically when I make an image of this is a -3 diopter spherical, okay, and -5 diopter cylindrical. Now why -5 diopter cylindrical? It means -3 plus -2 means -5. Now this 90 degree would act at a direction perpendicular to the prescribed one, okay. This means 90 degree would act at 180 degree. So -3 diopter spherical and -5 diopter cylindrical, this is acting at 180 degree, this is acting at 90 degree, okay. So this prescriptions comes as -3 diopter spherical and -2 diopter cylindrical at 90 degree, okay. So whenever there are two corrections, one is for distance and one is for the cycloplegic use. Now we have used here, there is no cycloplegic use, so this correction, there is no meaning of this correction, cycloplegic correction. Normally if you use atropine you have to deduct -1, if you use hometropine you have to deduct -0.5, if you use cyclopentolate you have to deduct -0.75. So nothing used, so no deduction has to be made. Now you have done the refraction at 1 meter, so if you do the refraction at 1 meter you have to correct for the -1 diopter. If you do the refraction at half meter it would be 2 diopter, means 1 by 1 by 2, and same like this. Let's say if you do at 1.5 meter then it would be 1 by 1.5, okay, like this. So the final correction would be this would -3 diopter spherical and -5 diopter spherical, and I add -1 for the distance in the both, so it comes to be -3 and -6. -3 at 90 degree means horizontal, and -4 and -6 at 180 degree, okay. So basically now both are high myopic, and you remember if the refraction is more than -1 degree diopter, all these are in diopters, okay. If the refraction is more than -1 diopter you would get against the motion or direction of the reflex. Means when you do the retinoscopy the reflex would be in the opposite direction to the mirror, okay. So here both in the vertical axis and both in the horizontal axis the direction of the reflex would be opposite to the direction of movement of your lens or your mirror, okay.